Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss on applications of Kuhl-Rausch law. First applications, determinations of degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation is the fractions of the total number of molecules dissociate into ions. Degree of dissociation is equal to number of molecule dissociate into ions upon total number of molecule present. Number of molecule dissociated is directly proportional to conductivity of the molecule. The number of molecules dissociated into ions lambda mc, then lambda mc molar conductivity at a particular concentration. Total number of molecules lambda m infinite is molar conductivity at infinite dilution. And degree of dissociation is equal to lambda mc upon lambda m infinite. Second applications, calculations of dissociation constant for a weak electrolyte. Knowing the degree of dissociation, the dissociation constant K of the weak electrolyte at concentration C of the solutions can be calculated using the formula. Kc is equal to C alpha is square upon 1 minus. Next application, calculations of ionic product of water. Water is a very weak electrolyte and ionized according to the equations. वाटर का आयोनाइजेशन होता है H plus and OH minus ions. The ionic product of water is represented by the symbol Kw and is given by Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus is equal to CH plus into COH minus, जैसा कि आप इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में देख पा रहे हैं. The molar concentration of H plus and OH minus ion can be determined by finding the degree of ionization alpha at room temperature. The degree of ionization alpha can be calculated from the value of lambda V. Then lambda V is molar conductance of water at dilution. Given by lambda V is equal to kappa into V, where kappa is specific conductance of प्योर वाटर. वैल्यू होती है 5.8 इंटू 10⁻⁻6 ओम इनवर्स इंटू मीटर इनवर्स. देन V is volume in cubic meter containing 1 mole of water. The volume V is obtained by dividing molecular weight of water with density of water, which is 0.997 gram centimeter cube. V is equal to molecular weight upon density. Water का molecular weight 18, density 0.997 is equal to 18.05 10⁻⁻6 into -6 in meter cube. Hence lambda V is equal to kappa into V. kappa की वैल्यू 5.8 into 10⁻6, then V की वैल्यू 18.05 into 10⁻⁻6 is equal to 104 into 100.7 into 10⁻⁻12 मीटर में. लैम्डा V की वैल्यू 1.047 into 10⁻⁻10 ओम इनवर्स मीटर स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन सेकंड से देख पा रहे हैं. The molar conductance of water at infinite dilution is the sum of molar ionic product of H plus ion and OH minus ion. किसका सम होता है? H plus ion का और OH minus ion का. तो इनकी जो वैल्यू होती है H प्लस और OH माइनस आयन की, वो होती है 0.035 प्लस 0.0192 इज इक्वल टू हो गई 0.05542 ओम इनवर्स मीटर क्यू स्क्वायर. द डिग्री ऑफ आयनाइजेशन अल्फ़ा इज गिवन बाय अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, लैम्डा वी अपॉन लैम्डा इनफाइनाइट. लैम्डा वी की वैल्यू हम निकाल चुके हैं, क्या होती है 1.047 इंटू 10⁻⁻10. लैम्डा वी निकाल चुके हैं हम लोग 0.0542. तो हम इनकी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं तो आती है हमारे पास इक्वेशन, अल्फ़ा की आती है वैल्यू 1.92 10⁻⁻9. The concentration of water in mole per decimeter cube is given by C is equal to 1000 upon molecular weight of water, then is equal to आता है 55.55 mole decimeter cube. Now the ionic concentration CH plus and COH minus are calculated. CH प्लस इज इक्वल टू COH माइनस इज इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा इंटू C. दोनों की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं तो हमें वैल्यू कितनी मिलती है 1.06 इंटू 10⁻⁻7. क्या निकालना था बच्चों हमें, KW आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर यानी इज इक्वल टू CH प्लस इंटू COH माइनस. तो 1.06 इंटू 10⁻⁻7 का स्क्वायर, तो हमें वैल्यू मिलती है 1.1 इंटू 10⁻⁻14. ये आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर की वैल्यू होती है कि 1.1 इंटू 10⁻⁻14. नेक्स्ट एप्लीकेशन, डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ स्प्रिंगली soluble salt. The solubility of springly soluble salt in water such as barium sulfate, silver chloride, lead sulfate, etc. is very small and cannot be easily determined by a chemical method. However, the solubility of such salt can be determined from the measurement of the conductance value of their solution. A saturated solution of the springly soluble salt is prepared in water of no specific conductance. The specific conductance of the saturated solution is also measured. The specific conductance of the salt is then calculated by applying the formula. Kappa salt is equal to Kappa solution minus Kappa water. From the specific conductance of the salt, molar conductance is obtained by applying the equations. Lambda m is equal to Kappa salt into 10⁻⁻3 upon C, where C is the concentration of the salt in moles per decimeter cube. Since the solution is very dilute, hence lambda m is equal to lambda infinite. According to Kohlrausch law, lambda infinite is equal to lambda infinite cation plus lambda infinite anion. Hence, we have lambda m is equal to lambda infinite is equal to Kappa salt into 10⁻⁻3 upon C, or C is equal to Kappa into 10⁻⁻3 upon lambda infinite cation plus lambda infinite anion. Thus, the solubility C of the springly soluble salt in moles per decimeter can be calculated. बच्चों ये बात हो गई एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कोलराउश लॉ या एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कंडक्टिविटी मेजरमेंट की. थैंक यू.